Hi, Dr. Heather here from Wellspring Chiropractic Lifestyle Center. Today we're talking about the best tools to use to install healthy habits and replace the old bad habits, because our theme for this time of the year is resilience. How do we regain resilience in our bodies and in our health and in our lives? And so installing healthy habits is going to be one of the key best practices, but sometimes it's hard to install a new habit. So I use something called a habit tracker. And it's simply an Excel spreadsheet where you have a list coming down of all the different habits that you want to be doing each day, all your healthy habits. And then going across is going to be all the days of a month, so a 31 day month. And you're going to have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday marked on there. And what you'll notice is at the end of each day, you're going to go through your list and you're going to just check off, did you do that habit or not? No judgment, just looking, did you do it or not? And as you check these off, you're going to start to see a pattern as you go through the month. And you may notice that, geez, on Tuesdays, I don't hit any of my habits that I want to install, or I hit half of them, but not all of them. Or there might be a particular one that's just hard to get in on certain days, but you'll be able to see the pattern with it. So you'll be able to think more deeply about it. And if you really want to nail that habit, you can think of creative ways of actually getting it in. I love this tool because it helps me identify what's going to be sabotaging me from hitting the goals that I want to hit, because those goals are going to be dependent on doing regular things in my day in order to achieve them. So it's not the big goal at the end that's important. It's the little steps that you do all along the way. Now, if you're struggling with what to put down as your healthy habits, if you're searching, you don't even know what to be doing as a healthy habit, then please reach out to us. We're happy to sit down with you and talk about what are your goals and what are the things you're going to need to do to get to those goals. And then the habit tracker is going to be a great tool that you can use. I hope you found this useful. If you did, please share it with your friends and family, and I look forward to sharing more with you again soon.